Okay, so this one I'm going to finish the laws. We'll go over the laws of the exponent radicals. Laws. So the first law is A of m times A of n equals A of m plus n. And this means that, I'll just say it instead of writing it, to multiply two powers of the same number, two different powers of the same number, you just add the exponents, you add the powers. Alright, law 2 is A to the m over A to the n equals A to the m minus n. Alright, so to divide two powers of the same numbers, A, and the powers would be m and n. To divide them, you subtract the exponents, subtract the powers. Law 3 looks like this. A of m to the n. So A to the power of n, all of which to the power of n equals A to the m n. So let's make sure you understand that. We'll do an example. 5 squared all to the third is 5 to the 2 times 3, which equals 5 to the 6th. All right. And now let's do 4th law. So A, B to the n is A to the n times B to the n. Alright? So to raise the product of a power, to raise a product to a power, raise each factor of that product to that power. Right? So now we'll do something that looks like this. A over B all to the n is going to equal A to the n over B to the n. So an example would be 4/5. How about 4/5 to the third? That's going to be 4 to the third over 5 to the third. So to raise a quotient to a power, raise both numerators, both the numerator and denominator, to that same power. Alright, that is the examples, and in the next video I'll give a proof of law 3 and law 4.